So I managed to get probably just over halfway around the garden before the battery ran out. It won't even start up anymore. This was after a full charge, showing 1 bar, won't even start the mower. The grass probably had about 4 weeks growth on it before it was getting cut. Started off on a 3 to do the first bit, so I guess it was having to work a bit harder, but then when it kept cutting out I put it all the way to 7 just to see if I could get through it all, but it's literally conked out. It's not really much good.